Ciao, buddy.
Jeez.
Nah, you have the small one for that. The even smaller one?
So that is another dash cam?
Yeah, I had gotten him one, and then we put it in, I think, and then... What's up, guys? So as you can see in this video, we are going to be installing my new raised GRAMLIGHTs. These are the 57 CRs. I'm going to be taking the car to the shop right now, and we're going to be installing it there. What's crazy is 2 of the wheels that I got need new tires. I have the tires, but I needed them to be installed. When I pull up to the shop, there's a van that's changing a tire for somebody in front of my shop. Tire changing? Nah. Should I ask?
I gotta ask him how much.
Like, he's already here too. I don't have to do a delivery fee. You know?
Let me go ask him.
Yeah.
2 tires? 2 wheels?
2. So we go and ask him if he's able to change our tires for us, and he's like, yeah, I'll do it for 25 bucks each. So we got really lucky, actually. It was a major coincidence. I was only going to mount one side just to see how it looks, but because the guy was there that was able to change our tires, I was able to put all 4 on. It's these tires. My brother's coming with the wheels. He should be here in a second. Hay esos dos blancos,
Okay.
pero los restos están en el camioneta de él. Yeah. So these are the old GRAMLIGHTs that I had. I'm still going to be running these, but they're going to be used as drift spares. The white ones are going to be used for daily driving.
Esto para afuera. Afuera, esto para adentro.
Sí. Panels will be in the back. Tire disposal. Wheel. You gotta get everybody on there. I mean, this one's clean, right?
They're different.
They're what?
They gotta be. They're just different levels, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh my god, that's so baller. I usually torque my wheels to 80 foot-pounds. I know there's some controversy with what foot-pounds everybody should be doing their wheels. So let me know in the comment section what foot-pounds do you guys torque your wheels to? So now it's the next day. I really wanted to show you guys how these wheels look in the daylight. We are going to go get some gas. We're going to go wash the car. And I'm going to show you guys some footage of me cleaning the car and cleaning the wheels because they were a little dirty. And especially since they're white, you can really see how dirty they are.
Mira qué feo.
¿Qué compró?
Algo para ponerle como encima.
I got this mark from my last drift event. I hit a cone and it just made this mark. So that's going to be it for today's video. As you can see, this is the final product. I really like how the wheels look on the car. I mean, these are my favorite wheels. As you can tell, these are my second pair. I really like the white wheels on the yellow. I saw Jimmy Oaks' video on his S13. He's running a setup similar to this with white wheels, and I just loved it, how it looked on his car. He has like a livery on it and all that, so it looks even better in my opinion. I'm thinking about adding not a livery, but just some more stickers to the car to, one, add some more horsepower, and two, so it can match the wheels a little more. I still have the OEM brakes and rotors. I have a set of Akibonos that I want to install in this car, so I'm going to be installing them soon. I'm just trying to figure out what color to change them to. Right now they are like a cherry red, which is really nice, but I'm not sure how it's going to look on the yellow and white. I had ChatGPT make these for me, so bear with me. They don't look as good as they should, but you can kind of just get the point with how the colors look behind the wheel and with the yellow of the car. So let me know which color you guys prefer. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be posting more on this car and also another car that I've just bought. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys consider subscribing if you have not subscribed yet, and like the video if you like what you saw. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh,